If you have the GoPro Hero 12 and Media Mod and want to find out how to control which microphones are used during the recordings, this video is for you. Be aware the Preferences area under Mods is not in control or displaying accurately what settings have been chosen in the Media Mod Pro Tune settings. It will always indicate standard mic on the screen, so you need to ignore it. When in video mode, swipe down with your finger to reveal the camera settings. Next, swipe left to reveal the controls icon. Verify if the controls icon is set to easy. If it's set to easy, you need to change it to Pro mode. Touch anywhere on the screen to exit the controls area. Swipe up with your finger to exit the camera settings. With the camera in video mode, select the settings icon. Swipe up on the screen until the Pro Tune section appears. If the Pro Tune section settings are not visible, tap on Pro Tune to show the available settings. Now swipe up on the screen until the Media Mod settings area appears and then select it. In the Media Mod section, move the slider to select either Camera Mics, Media Mod Back, Media Mod Front, or Media Mod Front and Back. And then tap on the screen to exit the Media Mod settings. You might want to expand the Shortcuts area and then assign Media Mod to one of the shortcuts. That way you can easily switch between the microphone settings just by tapping on the shortcut on the main video screen. Now keep in mind, this is only applicable to people with the GoPro Hero 12 and the GoPro Media Mod, and the illustrations were made in the GoPro firmware version 2.0.